Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to remove text from video on mobile. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. You can actually do this on your iOS or Android phone. So you just need to open up your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. This is where you will get. I am doing this on an Android phone. So you are going to actually search for remove text from video, and it will show you a bunch of different apps that are available out there to remove unwanted objects from your videos. You can not only remove text, you can also remove objects and watermarks. So especially we are looking for remove text, and it's mostly the watermark that we want to remove. So you will find a lot of different options. I have downloaded this one, video eraser, and you can see it will allow me to remove a text. So now you can just upload a video. You can also add a new text to your video or remove a text using this app. Or if it's not working for you, you can actually download any of these apps from here, and they help you remove text your video. So you can go ahead, download any of this and just use it. Actually really easy, and then you will be able to remove text from your videos. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.